CAD is the lifeblood of your engineering team, and you probably have one or more viewers to handle different formats. But what if more people could access your CAD models? What if everyone could? Every week, more companies around the world are choosing SpinFire Enterprise, an unlimited access subscription to the popular SpinFire viewer. They use it on site with customers to review designs. They use it on the shop floor to check specs and tolerances. They use it in purchasing, in servicing, and in the boardroom. When everyone has access, communication improves, collaboration accelerates, and comprehension deepens. SpinFire Enterprise is secure and affordable. Low subscription prices make it possible for everyone to access any format, anywhere, at the office, at home, or on the road. SpinFire is easy to use, and with read-only access, your designs cannot be modified. Contact us today and discover how easily SpinFire can transform your business into a visual enterprise.